Nobel Prize winners in physiology or medicine. I'm not a medical student, I'm trying to learn about my body. So this is a nerve cell membrane. This is part 2. I'm only focusing on discoveries. You can go to Wikipedia and look at the scientist name. This is a medical vocabulary. Discoveries of cholesterol and fatty acid metabolism, genetic control of enzyme and virus synthesis, tumor-induced viruses, hormonal treatment of prostate cancer. I even didn't know there is something like that, hormonal treatment. Primary physiology and chemical visual processes in the eye. Eye is an important organ for me, for everybody, for their interpretation of genetic code and its function in protein synthesis, genetic structure of viruses, transmitters in the nerve terminals, hormones, antibodies, organization, elicitation of individual social behavior pattern. Interesting, psychology. So in 1973, first time psychology was given a importance. Structural and functional organization of the cell, tumor viruses and genetic material of the cell, origin and dissemination of infectious disease, peptide hormone, production of the brain. This again psychology, 1977, like brain study, radio immunoassays of peptide hormones, restriction enzymes, molecular genetics, computer assisted tomography. What is tomography? Don't know. Genetically determine structures on the cell surface that regulate immunological reactions. Wow, something on the cell surface. Cerebral hemispheres, visual systems, prostaglandins, mobile genetic element, her 1983. Is that the first lady? I don't know. Development and control of immune system, monoclonal antibodies, cholesterol metabolism, growth factors, 86, antibody drug treatment, retroviral oncogenes, organ and cell transplantation, ion channels, protein phosphorylation, split genes, split genes, G protein signal transduction, embryonic development, cell mediated immune defense, prions, infection, nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a signaling molecule in cardiovascular system. Proteins, signal transduction in the nervous system, cell cycle, programmed cell death, genetic regulation of organ development, magnetic resonance imaging. I have heard this word, but I don't know why magnetic resonance imaging is used. Rodent receptors and olfactory system, no idea. Helicobacter pylori and gastritis and peptic ulcer disease, RNA inference, embryonic stem cells, cervical cancer, immunodeficiency virus. Oh, what is called this immunodeficiency? It was discovered in 2008. Chromosomes protected by telomeres and enzyme tolerance, fertilization, innate immunity, dendritic cell, adaptive immunity, reprogram to become pluripotent, vesicle traffic, cells, transport system in our cells. Further discoveries of cells that constitute a positioning system in the brain. Wow, I don't know what is that. The novel therapy, a roundworm, malaria, autophagy, circadian rhythm. This doesn't have to do anything with, I don't know, circadian rhythm. First time something about animal. We also have a rhythm in our body. Cancer therapy. Cells sense and adapt to oxygen availability. Hepatitis C virus in 2020. Receptors for temperature and touch. Genomes of extinct hominins and human evolution. mRNA vaccine against COVID. That was 2023. MicroRNA. Peripheral immune tolerance. this is the latest. This is 2025, and we are at the end of our video just in time.